What's up, everybody? Evan Garces here, your Maui real estate agent, and today we're checking out 57 Kupee Place in Pukalani, Maui. This place was recently renovated and is currently listed by Justin Shaw of Berkshire Hathaway. Let's take a look. Welcome to 57 Kupee Place in beautiful Upcountry Maui. This is an absolutely stunning property that just went through a complete renovation in 2025, and I cannot wait to show you everything. We're actually starting our tour by coming in through the back door because that's the natural flow when you park in the two-car garage. So here we are inside. The kitchen renovation came out absolutely gorgeous. Look at these brand new stainless steel appliances. Everything is top of the line. These custom cabinets are beautiful, and check out these quartz countertops. They're absolutely stunning and very practical. So now you can see how it flows nicely into the living room, which is such a great open concept feel with the kitchen. The space is perfect for entertaining or just relaxing. You've got a lot of natural light coming in through these new windows. And yes, all the windows and doors were replaced in this renovation. This space just feels very airy and bright, and I love how it connects to the outdoor space with the large windows. Here's a quick look outside the main door. So this would be the main entrance door from the street. Like I said earlier, I came in through the back door because it was just a more natural flow. I parked in the garage. From the garage, you naturally flow to walk towards the back door, but this is what the front entry looks like. Now we're going to take a look at the first bathroom. This whole house has been completely remodeled, including both of the bathrooms. We got gorgeous porcelain surrounds in both the tub and shower area. Everything is brand new, the fixtures, the finishes. You can really see the attention to detail they put into this renovation. Now we're going to take a look at the bedrooms. This home has a total of 4 bedrooms on the property. One of the bedrooms is part of the attached Ohana unit. So this main house area has 3 bedrooms. These are the first 2. Nice size, great natural light. And I love how they've maintained that character of the 1950s home while giving it all these modern updates. Quick look at the electric panel in case you're curious. And now we're going to make our way into the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom connects to an ensuite bathroom here. Top of the line fixtures. You got multiple shower heads here. And next up, we're going to take a look at the attached Ohana. So here you are entering the attached Ohana unit. That brown door there actually takes you back towards the garage. So they have their own entrance into the garage. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath Ohana unit that's attached under the same roof line as the main house. Just like the main house, it's fully renovated top to bottom. It's got the same luxury vinyl plank floors in here, all new appliances. And here's a little quick look into the garage. If you make a left there, that'll take you to the main house entrance. Here is the washer and dryer setup. So you get your own washer and dryer, which is nice. On shared properties like this, sometimes people also have to share the washer and dryer space, so it's nice that the main house and the attached Ohana unit both have their own washer and dryer. Next up, we'll take a quick look outside in the outdoor area and a little walk around the house. So here's the exterior area. Got a little glimpse of my baby girl there. So a lot of great outdoor space for entertaining, hanging out. Like they have here, you got a little fire pit. You could put a little barbecue area here. Just a great outdoor area. While we walk around the exterior, just want to talk a little bit about the Pukalani area. Like I said, I used to live in this Pukalani area, and now I've moved a little bit higher up in elevation to the Kula area. But Pukalani is located on the slopes of Halakala. You get that cooler, more comfortable climate compared to the sea level areas such as Kahului and Wailuku. Pukalani itself has about 8,500 residents, the perfect size where you have everything you need, but it still feels like a real community where people know each other. One of my favorite things about living in Pukalani is that you got everything you need right here. Grocery stores, restaurants, parks, community center, and even a golf course. You got the Pukalani Country Club in Pukalani. So, you know, you're away from town, yet you don't really have to go to town. You have a lot of the amenities you need here right up in Pukalani. And one of those stores include Pukalani Superette, which we call Puk Soup. It's really the heart of the Pukalani community. This place has been serving our community for almost 70 years. This isn't your typical grocery store. They got local produce straight from Maui farmers, made in Maui products, and their hot food section is incredible. Chili chicken, chow fan, lau lau, taco poke, all the local favorites fresh every day. And you know, one of my favorite things about living in Pukalani is anytime you shop anywhere upcountry, especially Puk Soup, you always are going to see somebody you know. So it has that real nice, tight-knit community feel. We're coming to an end on our property tour video here, so I'm going to put my info up on the screen here. Thanks again for viewing 57 Kupee Place. Again, listed by Justin Shaw with Berkshire Hathaway. But if you have any questions or if you want to schedule a showing, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'll put my contact info up on the screen, and I'll see you on the next tour.